What is up, guys? It's Trey here, and look at what we just now got. So we bred this little baby girl, a 167. A 167. That's amazing. Not leveled or anything, it's still growing. And then here's mine from last night, if I haven't got to see it fully grown yet. 116, 114. My bad, I can't read. I'm lagging a lot. So yeah, 116, 2000 health, 2400 stam, 450 weight, 202 melee, and 102 movement speed. It's not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go level him up. I'll BRBs. And he's getting wrecked! A level 12 female Rex. Num 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 num. Is he almost done? It shouldn't take this long. Okay, I lagged a little bit. Die. Die. Come on! It's a level 12. There, oh, level 8. Never mind, I'm not very smart. Okay, let's pick up this guy. Did I legit already kill him? Nope. Oh, 24. Bye. Bye. Okay, he's not super close to dead yet. I need to find a high level ARGY. How good's this one? Level 8? It's not even a mouse on the wheel. Ugh. I swear it's like impossible to find anything good nowadays. Since I've been on this server, I don't even think I've found a Giga myself. It's a terror bird. Yay! Oh no, it's the fog. I'm taking you home, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna tame this guy. So yeah, I'm gonna head to my base and get him knocked out. Well, actually, I'll go to my base and I'll be back with y'all whenever I'm back at my base, knock him out and tame him. BRBs. Okay. And this one, I know that I will tame perfect. Wait. Okay, that's not a wild one. Let me come over somewhere where it's safe. I believe this island is safe. I'm gonna tame this terror bird here. Here. If I... Oh no, a raptor. No, hang on, I'm trying to save you. No, I'm trying to save you. Yoink. Yoink. Okay. Die, raptor. Okay. Okay. For the team, out. Please don't attack me. Why are you running away? I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you, yo. Come back. Oh god. He just wanted a running start. Ow. Ow, pass out. Why are you so big and scary? I just glitch out around you. Why? Are you knocked out already? I keep on missing. Okay, let me just stay still. Okay. Okay, what the heck? This is kind of annoying me. Guys. Ow, bugs. Ow, bugs. Yeah, get in my face. I dare you. Okay. Okay, guys, I got it knocked out. Finally. Okay. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I kind of used up all my prime, guys. So, this is gonna be a bad team. But it's okay, it's a level 4. So, it doesn't matter. How fast is their teleport drop? Oh, gosh. Holy cow. Okay. Very fast. It drops very fast. Okay, let me knock you out a little bit more. It's the most efficient way. Okay, guys, you see that? It's the most efficient way. Just don't kill them. I really want one of those thingies. Did they attack? Nope, they run away very fast. Oh no. Oh, wait, what? I'm confused on what he's doing. It's like a fast... I don't even remember what they're called because they're so useless. Eat already. Oh, wow. Okay. Sweet. Oh yeah, by the way, my friend just now tamed a 116 ARGY that we're gonna breed. No, a 167 ARGY that we're gonna breed with something else. A 190. See, look, there may be a +0. Oh, never mind. Okay. Where's my bird at? Okay, right there. Kinda bloody. I don't think I'll shoot it again. Well, guys, this isn't that a 160 I wanted, but it lays eggs, so that's perfectly fine. I don't even know what these things are good for. What do they gather? I don't even think... Can you even ride them? Can you ride them? I really don't know. You can ride them. Oh, guys, I am going to make a saddle for this right now. Terror bird saddle. Oh, yes. Okay, Tiny. Guys, we're doing this. Oh my gosh, guys, we're doing this. Oh my. Yay! Yay! Guys, we got a terror bird. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. What's his weight? Oh, 120. Can I even ride him? What's my weight? Okay, I'm at 128. He won't be able to move. Actually, I think I'm gonna just... What level is that? What level is he? What level are you? Level 8? Level 8? Must stab you in the face. In the face. Oh wait. This may not be a good this may not be a good idea. But I'm gonna do it. Okay, he's just, oh gosh, he's already almost dead. Okay. Die. So what are you doing? Ow, what else was, ow. What hit me? Ow, he's hitting me. Yay. Oh, Prime. Oh. Okay, Mr. Terror. Let's go home. I don't... Dude, this is pretty neat. I never really had a terror bird. I don't know what they do. I don't even think I've seen YouTube videos. Or I know there have been. Like, I've seen people do videos about them. But I never actually seen somebody use it and gather stuff on them. I don't know. I guess we're about to find out when I empty out all of my inventory. Legit, all of my inventory except for my armor, probably. Because that's how light this thing is. It can't carry anything. This is definitely something that you just go out and kill for fun. That's probably what I'm going to do. Because it's a level 4. I am kind of upset that I got that level 60 killed. Very upset because that would have been amazing first one to have. But, you know, I mean, can't all work out perfectly. Like my bird almost died today because when I was just looking for a high ARGY to tame, I wasn't recording and I just kind of like walked into a cave and then I got kicked off and my bird was on passive and yeah. So, almost there. Dun. Dun 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 dun. Bing. Ba beep 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 bong. Beep 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 bong. Rainy. Rainy. Beep 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 bong. Oh yeah, guys. So I got a new base. I broke that one. That's where it used to be. And I just built a stone one because that one was small and my dinos would keep on glitching through the thatch floor. So yeah. And here we are. As you oh wait, I think I had stuff on my bird. I didn't want to ride you. No one wants to ride you. No one wants to ride you. Actually I don't have a name. Comment down in the below what you'd like his name to be, because I don't have a name for him yet. Where? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's grab my armor. My Kithilisu armor. Ramshackle pick. Is that all I had important on this guy? I thought I had my other armor on him too. Well, I guess not. Well, yeah, guys, I don't have a door yet. But that's never stopped anybody. Oh, I lagged a lot. Oh, okay. Put that in there. Actually, I'm gonna put that pick in here. In my smithy. And the smithy is where the pick is gonna go. If I can ever access the smithy. Okay, there's that. Let's go ahead and put that on. Put that on. Oh, I can make some of those ramshackle picks, but I'm not going to. At least not right now. Let's go ahead and put these down. I think I'm gonna layer some chests right here. I feel like that's good enough. Okie dokie. Then I should be able to enter and leave as I please. Super cool. Super cool, guys. Okay. Enter the smithy. What's going on? What am I still doing over here? I'm sorry if it didn't glitch out for y'all, but that was bad for me. Go ahead and put my pick in there. That. Kind of absolutely everything. Oh, I think I have a bunch of gunpowder made up for you. Oh, yeah, I do. I just need more spark powder. And then I can make a lot more. It's 260. What did old Jack say? No lag lasted for. We're gonna breed my bird and the new one when I get back to the base. Okay, cool.
Still just taking it one day at a time. Still don't know what I'm trying
so we always wanted. I haven't used a flare gun since they came out. I kind of want to use one. I may make one in my system now. Yarg! What do they get? Do they gather plants? They do not gather plants. Do they gather wood?
You can't slow me down, see, in the moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be.
What is going on? Kinda too big. Actually, tiny's just the right size for this thing. Jeez. Whoa, guys, is that a mystery drop? No, it's a wait, that's a is that? Whoa, is that a mystery drop? Oh my gosh, look guys, it's changing colors. It's legit changing colors. What the heck? Guys, oh my gosh, is this new? Living in a world overcome with greed. Not what I want, got everything I need. And I'm working hard till the day I succeed. Wow. Got me excited over nothing, game. I thought, ooh, mystery drop. I think this is gonna be cool. Okay, let's get back to what I was doing. Okay, there's two attack modes. Left click, right click. Oh, never mind. Or is there a C? Nope. Just a left click, okay. Okay, so it doesn't get any plants. Okay, it doesn't get any of these bamboo type things. Okay, doesn't get stoned. Okay, these things are useless. they don't get anything. Hang on, let me look at its melee. 120. Okay, and then like that movement speed. Okay, yeah, so if you want to get a terror bird, I don't know, do they jump? Oh, they do. Whoa, they can fly!
And I don't understand why you always want to change the path. It's not having what you want.
They fly! Wee! Oh, dude, that's awesome! They're so cute! Yes! Oh, those are so cute! Oh my gosh, just watch his little wings flap. So, I think, like, if you, like, jump and then flap. They're so cute when they fly. Look at their little wings go. That's amazing. So yeah, guys, if I like this episode, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.